Imagine a group of friends playing a game of telephone. Each person whispers a message to the next, hoping it reaches the end unchanged. This simple game can be a fun way to understand how information can get distorted as it passes through multiple people. Each person whispers a message to the next, trying to keep it as accurate as possible. But often, the message changes slightly with each whisper, illustrating how information can evolve. Neural networks work similarly, passing information through interconnected nodes, like the friends in the game. These nodes, called neurons, process and transform data, mimicking the human brain's learning process. These nodes, called neurons, process and transform data, mimicking the human brain's learning process. Each connection between neurons has a weight, representing the strength of their relationship. Each connection between neurons has a weight, representing the strength of their relationship. During training, a neural network learns by adjusting these weights. During training, a neural network learns by adjusting these weights. It receives feedback on its performance, tweaking the connections to improve accuracy. It receives feedback on its performance, tweaking the connections to improve accuracy. This process resembles how we learn from our mistakes. The network repeats this cycle countless times, refining its understanding of the data. Think of a neural network learning to recognize cats in pictures. It starts by randomly guessing. With each incorrect guess, the network adjusts its connections based on the feedback. Over time, it learns to identify the features that define a cat, like pointy ears and whiskers. This iterative process of learning and adjusting is what makes neural networks so powerful in tasks like image recognition and language processing. Large language models, or LLMs, are a powerful type of neural network designed to understand and generate human language. These models are built using complex algorithms that mimic the way the human brain processes language. They are trained on massive datasets of text and code, allowing them to perform a wide range of language-based tasks. This training involves processing billions of words from books, articles, websites, and other text sources. LLMs excel at understanding context, grasping nuances in meaning, and generating coherent and grammatically correct text. They can even understand idioms, slang, and cultural references, making their responses more natural and human-like. Imagine LLMs as incredibly well-read individuals. They have devoured countless books, articles, and websites, absorbing the intricacies of language. This vast knowledge base allows them to engage in conversations, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content. They can draft essays, create poetry, and even help with technical writing. This versatility makes LLMs incredibly useful in various applications. They can be used to power chatbots, assist with writing emails, or even generate creative stories. Their ability to understand and manipulate language makes them invaluable tools in various fields, from customer service to education. In customer service, they can handle inquiries and provide support efficiently. In education, they can assist with tutoring, provide explanations, and even help students with their writing assignments. The potential applications of LLMs are vast and varied, making them a cornerstone of modern AI technology. Their continuous evolution promises even more exciting possibilities in the future. At the heart of LLMs lies a revolutionary architecture called transformers. These transformers have fundamentally changed the way we approach language processing and understanding. Unlike traditional neural networks that process information sequentially, transformers analyze entire sentences simultaneously. This simultaneous analysis allows for a more comprehensive grasp of the text. This parallel processing allows for a deeper understanding of context and relationships between words. It's like having a conversation where you can instantly understand the full meaning without waiting for each word to be spoken. Imagine reading a sentence word by word versus grasping its meaning all at once. The latter approach is far more efficient and insightful. Transformers excel at the latter, capturing the essence of a sentence by considering all its parts concurrently. This holistic view is what makes them so powerful. This ability to process information holistically is what sets transformers apart. They can see the bigger picture and understand the nuances of language. This parallel processing power enables transformers to excel in tasks requiring long-range dependencies between words. They can connect the dots across a vast expanse of text. For example, understanding the pronoun he might depend on a noun mentioned several sentences earlier. Transformers can maintain this context effortlessly. Transformers can effortlessly track these relationships, leading to more accurate and coherent language processing. This makes them indispensable in modern natural language processing tasks. To process language, transformers rely on a clever trick. They convert words and sentences into numerical representations called embeddings. These embeddings capture the meaning and relationships between words in a multidimensional space. Think of it like assigning each word a unique coordinate on a map, where words with similar meanings cluster together. These embeddings are then passed through layers of the transformer, each layer refining the model's understanding of the input. Along the way, values are assigned to different parts of the input, highlighting their importance in the overall context. Finally, the transformer produces an output, which could be a translated sentence, a summary of the input text, or even a creative story. Section 5. A world transformed real-world applications of LLMs. The impact of LLMs on our world is already being felt across various domains. In customer service, they power chatbots that provide instant support and answer queries. In healthcare, LLMs analyze medical records and assist with diagnoses. In education, they personalize learning experiences and provide students with tailored feedback. The possibilities seem endless. LLMs are being used to translate languages with unprecedented accuracy, write compelling marketing copy, and even generate realistic dialogue for video games. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge. Section 6. The future of language advancements and challenges in LM research. Despite their remarkable capabilities, LLMs are still under development. Researchers are constantly working on improving their accuracy, efficiency, and ability to generalize to new situations. One area of focus is reducing the computational resources required to train and deploy these massive models. Another challenge is mitigating biases that can emerge from the data LLMs are trained on. Because they learn from vast amounts of text, they can inadvertently pick up on and perpetuate societal biases present in the data. Researchers are actively developing techniques to identify and address these biases, ensuring that LLMs are used responsibly and ethically. Section 7. Ethical considerations. Navigating the societal impact of LLMs. The rise of LLMs presents a new set of ethical considerations. As these models become increasingly sophisticated, it becomes crucial to ensure their responsible use. One concern is the potential for misuse, such as generating misinformation or creating deepfakes that erode trust in online information. Another concern is the impact on employment. As LLMs automate tasks previously performed by humans, it's essential to address potential job displacement and ensure a smooth transition for workers in affected industries. Open discussions and proactive measures are crucial to navigating these challenges and harnessing the power of LLMs for the benefit of society. Section 8. Beyond the Horizon. The Untapped Potential of LLMs. The future of LLMs holds immense potential for transformative advancements across various fields. Imagine LLMs collaborating with scientists to accelerate drug discovery, or assisting engineers in designing more efficient renewable energy solutions. As LLMs continue to evolve, they could revolutionize the way we interact with technology, making it more intuitive and accessible. Imagine a world where language barriers are a thing of the past, and complex information is easily understandable by anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Section 9. Conclusion. A new era of language and understanding. LLMs represent a significant leap forward in artificial intelligence, bringing us closer to machines that can truly understand and generate human language. As we continue to explore the capabilities of these powerful models, we enter a new era of communication and understanding. The journey ahead is filled with both opportunities and challenges. By embracing responsible development practices and fostering open dialogue about the societal impact of LLMs, we can harness their transformative power to create a brighter future for all.